Introducing the RC Gizmovine high-speed off-road car, the ultimate RC car experience for enthusiasts of all ages. Get ready to explore, capture, and conquer with this versatile and high-performance vehicle. Equipped with an HD Wi-Fi camera, this RC car allows you to capture clear photos and videos directly from your phone using the dedicated app. With a 45 adjustable angle, you can widen your shooting range and document your adventures with ease. Share the excitement with your family and friends as you capture unforgettable moments. Experience superior control with 2 driving modes. Use the 2.4 GHz radio controller for precise control with a distance of up to 165 feet. Perfect for multiple cars playing simultaneously. Alternatively, utilize the mobile phone app for Wi-Fi transmission up to 90 feet, allowing you to share your captures instantly on social media. Take on any terrain with confidence thanks to the superior build design of the RC Gizmovine high-speed off-road car. The independent suspension system with 4 springs effectively absorbs vibrations, preventing damage caused by rough terrain. Plus, the strong crash-proof bumper at the front ensures the body and frame remain intact, even in high-impact situations. Each package includes everything you need for an exciting RC experience. 1 remote control car, 1 camera, 1 adjustable phone holder, 1 remote control, and 2 500 mAh lead-out rechargeable battery packs for extended playtime. Charge up easily with the included USB charging cord, compatible with any power bank. With an extended 90-day warranty and friendly service provided by Gizmovine, you can enjoy your RC adventures with peace of mind. Don't miss out on the excitement. Get your RC Gizmovine high-speed off-road car today and start exploring.